Okay, this is an SX. I can't remember the model. It was something like a 60s Jazz or something like that. I think it was 60s. In terms of the height, it's pretty similar to the J&D. And I wanted to test the J&D because people say they're like the same factory as the SX. Well, they're not the same guitar, you can see, but this one is probably one of my favourites for the money. But this one here, look at the colour. You got the striping coming out. I got some bonus money from a friend of mine at a company. I thought I'll have it. Again, this one has been upgraded, but instead of the SX pickups, which are okay, it's got some ironstone pickups. These are really nice, fairly cheap jazz pickups, and it's got a Fender high mass bridge, which does raise the strings a bit, but this is good for slapping and for rolling tone, yeah. And it's the only passive guitar I think I've still got. Well, I suppose no, because I can turn that one into passive, and that's passive. So passive. Oh, actually, I'm being an idiot. Passive, active, passive, active or passive, active. So it's one of the few stock ones, but it sounds beautiful on the amps, yeah. And a lovely looking guitar. A nice weight to it as well. I don't like them too light.